This is a fantastic home, 278 Waycliffe Drive North in Wayzata. Award-winning association, they take care of the heavy lifting. You just enjoy your space. Ron Clark Construction, over 3,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. Walkout lower level, vaulted ceilings, open floor plan, nestled on the west side of Gleason Lake. And of course, you're minutes from Lake Minnetonka. I want to walk you around back. I want you to take a look at the Ron Clark Construction. I just want you to feel the ambiance of what you get. You're surrounded by a canopy of trees, so you can hear the breeze off of Gleason Lake. 2 outdoor entertainment spaces, floor-to-ceiling windows, tons of natural light. Let's go inside. So we've got the study off to the left. Do your day trading or just sit and relax with a book. Yep, that's the master suite to the right. We'll get back to that. Hardwood floors throughout. The kitchen has been completely remodeled. You've got stone backsplash, under cabinet lighting, high-end appliances, granite countertops. Entertaining while you graze on some appetizers or prepare the 5-course meal. You've got a walk-up wet bar. Of course, you've got fireplaces up and down. Just a fantastic space for entertaining. Okay, the master bedroom. His and her closets, soaker tub, your own oasis, and yes, it's on the main floor. No stairs. The walkout lower level is a more casual setting. Casual elegance, let's call it. Stacked stone fireplace. Again, you've got a wall of windows. Walks out to your private patio, built-in surround. Your other 2 bedrooms are on this level, joined by the full bath, tons of storage space. You even have a workshop down here. This home is a rare opportunity to own in Wayzata near Lake Minnetonka for under $1 million. If you'd like to see the home, we'd be happy to show you around. Thanks for stopping by. Got it.